Hi, I'm Kristen, and you're watching Travels and Travails. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy backpacking, camping, or kayaking pizza that just requires a one-burner stove. That's right, you don't need an oven for this pizza. Here's what you'll need. 1 package of Boboli pizza sauce per 2 pizzas. Olive oil. 2 8-inch Boboli pizza crusts, 2 packets of string cheese, 1 per person, and 1 package of pepperoni. You'll also need 2 9-inch plates and 1 8.5 to 9-inch pan, which fits an 8-inch Boboli pizza crust perfectly.
Today we are using the backpacking stove, but you can use your camping stove or your RV stove as well. First, oil the pan liberally with olive oil. This reduces the chance of the crust burning and sticking to the pan. Open the crust and place it in the pan. Open the sauce packet and place half the sauce from the packet on the crust. Next, spread the sauce on the crust. Open the packet of string cheese and shred, placing the shredded string cheese on top of the sauce. The cheese will melt more quickly if it has reached room temperature. After that, place the pepperoni evenly on top of the string cheese and set the pan aside. Light your stove. When the stove is lit, set the burner to the lowest setting. Cover the pan with a lid. We used our aluminum plate as a lid to save on dishes. Closely monitor the bottom of the crust to prevent burning. Cook pizza on low for about 4 minutes. Remove the pizza from the pan and place on a suitable cutting surface. Use a pizza cutter or knife to cut the pizza into 4 slices. Repeat the process with the second pizza. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. To see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.